Hi, yes. How to add the watermark in MS Excel. In previous classes, MS Word give the watermark. Now MS Excel page wise how to give the watermark in this explain in this video. This is one data. This is very large data. This is very large data. In data, large data is first spreading that. Spreading means he divided the 3 pages or 2 pages or 4 pages. First spreading that. Spread first steps is view menu. Go to view menu. This is workbook views is there. This is normal, this is page layout, this is page break was there. This is the normal. This is the normal. Normal after page break. Normal after page break. Page break once you clicking after, see. The data is divided to 3 pages. My data is divided to 3 pages. The page layout clicking after, here 3 boxes is displayed in the top of the data. What is that? Click and add header. In insert, there click header. Click header. After display 3 boxes. Display 3 boxes. See once again. First select the whole data. First select the complete data. Select the complete data. This after spread it. How to spread? Go to view. There select page layout. After data will divide it to 3 pages. Now click insert. There click the header and footer. After here header and 3 boxes displayed in the top of the data. Okay, 3 pages displayed. See. Now how to give the watermark. Now how to give the watermark in data. Steps. Click here. First when this click here, after design menu is extra menu is displayed in the menu bar. Header footer tools. There click the picture. Select the any picture of this means watermark picture selected. I am selected this one. After click insert. Here display the picture. This after clicking after picture given displayed after, the mouse moves to data side and click it. The picture will come. This picture is not middle and not inner of the data part. Now how it's set? Here click enter. Cursor blinking after give enter. Again move the mouse and data side. Click it. See here. See here. One place you give to the watermark. All pages displayed in the watermark picture. This is the Excel watermark picture. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.